Jaflong is one of the most attractive natural tourist spots in Bangladesh. It is located in Goainghat Upazila of Sylhet district and situated at the border between Bangladesh and the Indian state of Meghalaya. It is just below the mountain range. Jaflong is famous for its stone collections and is home of the Khashi tribe. Jaflong is also a scenic spot amidst tea gardens and rare beauty of rolling stones from hills. This spot is blessed with river Piain and Shari. It's about 54 kilometers far from Sylhet town and takes 1.5 hours drive to reach there. Tourists can enjoy the natural beauty and colorful cultural programs of Khashi tribal people. Important tourist attractions are collection of rolling stones, colorful tribal Khashi life, Khashi Rajbari, King's Palace, the Dauki and the Piain rivers, tea gardens, orange and jackfruit gardens, betel leaf and areca nut gardens, many waterfalls, boating in river.